Hey, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. As you can see, there's an FN2 on the ramp. Let's find out what the lads are doing. Okay. Hey guys.
Hello. Hello.
What the devil is going on here?
Well, quite a bit of work on this car, to be fair. So, oil pump and balance shaft delete from the FN2 and fitting the FD2 oil pump. So we're sort of at the point where we've done that, cleaned everything up, all the new tension, the new guides are on, new chains on, new pumps in, new windows trays on. So you obviously get some nice pictures of that.
Oh.
We're pretty much just going to fit the sump, and then we'll go back to putting the timing chain, or the new timing chain and everything on, and we'll probably get you back and take some pictures then.
Okay. Well, that looks nice and shiny, doesn't it?
It does.
Be covered in oil in a minute, won't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's back in the air, and I can see that the sump is back on.
Well, that's basically it, really, isn't it? I mean, oil pump done, torqued up, everything sorted in there, chains on, guides on, and done, put the sump back on, and that's sort of where we are.
Excellent. So what's it like at the top end?
We'll get some chain on and then I'll get you back again.
All right, okay, we'll have a look. We'll come back in a minute. Okay, so we're back at the top end. Rich, what's going on?
Timing chain.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, so timing chain, new guides, new tensioner, to match up with obviously everything we've done on the oil pump. We've just got to put the side casing back on the engine, and then we can start obviously rebuilding the top and getting all that back in. This car is for inlet manifold as well, but obviously we stripped all that this morning as part of obviously the strip of the car. Yeah, so I think we'll come back when we've got some engine casings on and start getting some of that done.
It's having an RRC, is it?
It is, yeah.
Yeah, fantastic. Okay, yeah, we'll have another look in a bit. So the RRC is installed. So that's the car back together then, buddy?
Yeah, car back together. Obviously, we finalised yesterday where we were, which was obviously getting the chain on. Me and Jeno put the side casing on, put all the core packs back in, built all this lot back up before we went home last night. And then we finalised this morning by fitting the RRC, getting the induction kit back on and just getting everything done. Disconnected the core packs, cranked it over, built some oil pressure, got some coolant back in it, topped it up with oil, and I think we're ready to start loading her on the dyno.
Right, let's find Jensen and let's get it up on the dyno strapped and let's get some tuning done. Here we go. Just mentioning how cold it is out there.
Yeah, Dan's cold again this week.
Got my gloves on though, guys. Got my gloves on, it's all good. Right, so FN2, it's been in here for we've had it overnight, haven't we? It's had a...
Yeah, got dropped off yesterday morning. We done some good mods on this car, in my opinion. There's a couple of areas that still let it down, but I think it's a case of money and doing certain things first,
progression
and then coming back and having some more work done. So we've done timing chain, which I was classed as obviously general maintenance. Obviously, whilst we were in at that point, he wanted to fit the FD2 oil pump, so we've done that as well. Yeah, that was pretty much what we did yesterday, to be fair. We did get the inlet manifold off. We sort of worked on getting everything stripped yesterday and getting all that done. Got all that back together yesterday. Like we were just saying, apart from getting the inlet manifold on, basically.
Jeno's just staring at me and putting me off.
Is he? Is he trying to put you off?
He looks like a serial killer.
Yeah.
Right, so, yeah, sorry.
So we got that done. This morning, we've obviously fitted the RRC inlet manifold, got the induction kit on. Like I said, cranked it over, built some oil pressure, got some coolant back in it, bled all the system, got all that done, got the under trays back on, built all that up. We've obviously loaded it onto the dyno this morning. And I've done, the only thing we haven't mentioned with this car is it still has got its standard manifold and its standard cat on. To me, that has obviously hindered us massively, in my opinion, this morning. Still made good power, though, considering it's on a standard exhaust, but we're seeing that with the RRC.
You can see the shape of the graph,
yeah,
and you can see the restriction, and
yeah,
you can see where we would make more power with less restriction.
Oh, 100%.
So a better exhaust.
I mean, basically, we come on, sort of power, it dulls off, it comes on, it dulls off. It's a little bit wavy, but that is down to exhaust flow, simply exhaust flow. So the next mods for this car 100% are a decent manifold and a decent catback exhaust.
Available on the website.
Yeah, available on the website. I think that's where we'll go. I think that's just probably the only thing that's wounded this car a little bit today, I think, is the exhaust. But yeah, I think we can certainly improve on that. What are you laughing at?
Wounded. Yeah. Yeah, but it did make power, so he's gonna be made up.
Yeah,
with
he'll
that.
be able to
We'll see him again.
We finished at 221, which is strong for a standard exhaust. But like we're saying, with the RRC that we've seen repeatedly a lot recently, they are making good power. I think it is a better induction kit as well. It's got the HKS induction kit, which isn't the best. No. It could certainly do with a better induction kit down into the wheel arch where it can get some cooler air.
CPL, Skunk 2.
Yeah, CPL, Skunk 2, the hybrid racing.
Yeah.
We do our own 3.5-inch induction kit as well.
Plenty to choose from.
So there's plenty to choose from with it. And then you move forward. I think there's definitely more power in this car. I think there's realistically, probably another 20 brake in this car with the right
mods.
With some more mods. So... Okay. Yeah, should we have a look at the graph?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. This was actually previously tuned elsewhere. So we've done the mods that we've done today or this week, and then obviously tuned appropriately for that to make sure that the fueling's correct. And we made some power, as you can see, especially in the mid-range there. And we finish on 221 brake horsepower, which is nearly 190 at the wheels. So there we go. Another one in the bag. Code word for this video, if you bothered to get to the end, wounded, because that cracked me up a little bit when Rich said the word wounded. So we'll go with wounded as a code word, and we shall see you all on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Will indeed.
We will indeed. Peace out.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.